Texas.
Well, good afternoon, East Texas, on this Tuesday. We've got plenty of blue skies, but also notice some puffy cumulus clouds trying to stream into the area. It's not going to do much for us today, just a sign that we've got a little bit more humidity, a little bit more moisture returning. 73 degrees outside, but check out that dew point. It's jumped up now to the mid-50s. Now, this thing was in the 30s and the 20s the past couple of days, so yeah, we've got more moisture on the way with those south winds at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Outside, you can see everyone into the 70s across the area. It is definitely a warm one, and it's going to stay fairly warm, but definitely on the pleasant side throughout your afternoon. So the pleasant weather will continue. We're talking that enhanced fire danger as we go throughout the rest of today. The very dry conditions, the low humidity, that'll lead to that. But as we head towards your Wednesday and beyond, we're talking about that fire danger decreasing a bit as we see the humidity levels on the increase. And that will be some very good news for us. And by the time we head towards the end of the work week, soaking rainfall still looks very possible. We're talking about the potential of several inches of rainfall headed our way by the time we wrap up the work week. Heading out there this afternoon, though, great hammock weather for you out there across the area as we're looking at clouds, a few on the increase, but still, we're talking no worse than partly cloudy today as temperatures climb into the low to mid-80s by the afternoon hours, which again, humidity levels will slowly be on the increase. The drought monitor continues to show us we've got a severe to extreme to even exceptional drought creeping into the area. Boy, do we need some rainfall. It is very dry out there, and because of that, that's going to lead to that enhanced fire danger across all of East Texas again this afternoon. The low humidity, the very dry vegetation, and those gusty winds means any fires that develop will spread quickly. Of course, we've heard about all these different grass fires that have been across the area throughout the past few weeks. The trend could continue today. Now this afternoon we'll climb into the low to mid-80s. Again, notice some of these patchy clouds building in. Tonight we'll see a few more clouds streaming in from the south with that strong breeze. That means temperatures only fall into the 60s for overnight lows as opposed to the 40s and 50s. And then the humidity levels really ramp up as we head into your Wednesday afternoon along with more clouds. Highs climb into the mid-80s. I think we'll stay dry Wednesday, but we'll definitely notice the clouds on the increase. Here comes the pattern change though. Big dip in the jet stream out towards the west. That's our area of low pressure. That's going to work in tandem to pull up some of this tropical moisture moving north out of the Gulf of Mexico, and that's going to stream in here and give us some decent chances of a potentially heavy rain event for the upcoming weekend. Here's a look at things on Precision Cast. By Thursday, that low pressure comes up from the south. This front moves in from the west, and they just kind of converge over East Texas by Friday morning. So moderate to widespread, potentially heavy rainfall making its way through the region, and that continues throughout your day on Friday. We may see a break late Friday night into early Saturday as some of the heavier activity shifts to the west and reloads, and then more moderate to heavier rainfall possibly once again on your Saturday as well. So get ready for a potential widespread soaking rain event even into your Sunday. This system is very slow moving and a prolific rainmaker, so we're talking about the potential of more heavy rainfall sticking around. How much? I wouldn't hang my hats on any specific totals right now because it's still a little far out, but overall, models continue to suggest we could see a event that could feature several inches of rainfall across East Texas. So stay tuned for the potential. We don't expect any widespread flooding because of the drought conditions, but with so much rainfall in such a short period of time, some isolated flash flooding will be possible. We'll see highs into the low to mid-80s throughout the next couple of days with clouds on the increase and the potential of that heavy rainfall event arriving Friday, Saturday, and Sunday along with cooler temperatures.
I'm ready for that.
Yes, that will be great.
All right.